Sometimes you might be given a Boolean function and you want to get it realized using some already given IC. So in this series, one question is implementation of Boolean function using 3:8 decoder. Now, the Boolean function you are supposed to implement is sigma m 2, 4, 5, and 7. So 3:8 decoder. So the first thing you are supposed to do is you have to draw 3:8 decoder. So your 3:8 decoder is, these are your inputs, 3 inputs, and corresponding to that you will have 8 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is your 3:8 decoder. So 3:8 has 3 inputs, and corresponding to the input combination, your particular output will be on or off. Okay, now it is being asked that you are supposed to implement this. So what is this actually? So this is, if you look at this, this is nothing but a truth table corresponding to ABC is being given, and this is your truth table, and corresponding to that you are being provided some outputs like this. So outputs will be high at 2, 4, 5, and 7. 2, 4, 5, and 7. These are your outputs. Now, what you will do? You will implement this. So your input will be actually ABC. So when ABC is being applied here, suppose you apply 0, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 1. So corresponding to 0, 1, 1, you will have particular output being activated. So that corresponds to 0, 1, 1 corresponds to 3. So here this will be activated, and this will not be available. So at output, what you will get? 2, 4, 5, 7. So 2, 4, 5, and 7. So here you will get output corresponding to this Boolean expression. So it's a quite easy thing. This is your 3:8 decoder. You will apply a gate here, and your output will be connected, which are being given in the Boolean expression. So whatever you apply here, corresponding to that, your particular output will be activated, and that will be available at this particular thing. Okay, one thing I forget to mention is your decoders and encoders will have a pin that is called enable. So in some cases it will be like this, in other cases it will be like this with bubble. So when it is with bubble, then it is active low, and when it is without bubble, it will be active high. So high means you have to apply 1, low means you have to apply 0. Then it will be activated. So bubble is a symbol of inverter. So in this way, you can implement any Boolean function using 3:8 decoder, provided the number of variables are 3. If it is 4, then 4:16 decoder is to be considered. So that's all as far as these questions are being concerned. Now we will be discussing some other questions corresponding to that. So in that series, we will be discussing one more question. Just wait.